Welcome to Full Life Kitchen.
But this is my granddaughter McKenna, and she's here visiting, and she said, I want to cook. So I wanted to do something special. What are we making today?
Cookies.
What kind though?
Chocolate chip.
Oh, see, there she did it again. I'm making an almond cookie. There's hardly any sugar, so we can curb our sweet tooth without having to put sugar in it. But she said, I don't want your cookies without chocolate chips. So we're making today my almond cookies with chocolate chips. Let's go over our ingredients first, okay? Tell them what we're putting in, and then you're going to mix it in here.
Salt.
Okay, there's 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt in 2 cups of almond flour. Okay, let's start mixing it in. What's the next thing?
Baking powder.
Okay, let's do it. That's 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. You can put it in. Just go ahead and put them in as we go. Okay, and next?
Cinnamon.
That's 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And these are just a lot of fun ingredients. Go ahead and dump everything in. We're going to mix it in a minute. And what is this? This is special.
Monk fruit.
Monk fruit. And you did that well. 1/2 teaspoon of organic monk fruit gives me all the sweetener that we need. Okay? That's the monk fruit. And then, oh boy, what is this?
Chocolate chip.
Oh boy, chocolate chips. And 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Put them in. And what do we have here?
Raisins.
And they're little currants, like baby raisins. And we got 1/2 cup of those. Okay, put them in and let's mix it up. And if you want to mix it up with my stir stick, and then we'll get the other ingredients. What's wonderful about this recipe is it's a lot of protein, and it's pretty exciting. So I'll get that out of your way. Okay. It looks like you did a pretty good job there. And then we're going to go to the other ingredients in a minute. I'm going to just let it, oops. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here we got this. Okay, so we're in good shape.
We're doing tahini, maple syrup, almond milk, and applesauce.
That's good. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to mix it in that bowl there. And that is not going to come out very easily, so I'm going to help you. So I'll probably have to scoop it out for you because tahini is very thick. Most people use tahini in hummus. And I told you it's a little stronger by itself, and it's really sweet with honey. But tahini makes incredible cookies, and all it is ground sesame seeds. Anyone you want to put in now? We know that that's almond milk.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup. It's and there's 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a couple tablespoons of almond milk, 2/3 of a cup of tahini, and 2 tablespoons of applesauce. So that gives you kind of an idea, and we'll get the rest of that. And then you can stir that up. I've made a batch. I'll show you in a moment. We're doing 2 batches. Mine, the difference of mine doesn't have chocolate chips. What does mine have in it?
Almonds and nuts.
Almond nuts. And also, you didn't want to use coconut. And so I said, okay, but if I like your chocolate chips better, can I have yours?
No.
Let's mix this in. You can stir this up. You want to take that out. Okay, just get it all out. There's a lot of it in there. And this really binds it together. And then we're going to roll them out, and we're going to have delicious cookies. Have you enjoyed being here on vacation? And what do you think, what are you going to do when you go home?
I'm going to go play in my playroom.
Play in your playroom. Boy, that's a nice thing to do. Do you like cooking? And do you cook with your daddy?
Yeah, I made pancakes.
And do you do a lot by yourself?
Yeah.
What have you done by yourself?
Well, sometimes I get the ingredients out by myself. Sometimes some of the ingredients to cook pancakes with.
Oh, that's really good. And you do it by yourself? What does your family say about your pancakes?
They're good.
They're good. Do you like them too? I just wanted to show you what she's stirring hers. I've done mine, and this is the difference is that this has 1/2 cup of almonds and 1/2 cup of the coconut. That's the larger pieces that she chopped up for me. Sometimes it's better to just use clean hands and mix it up this way, because we're going to roll them out with our hands anyway. So you just roll it like this. See, just roll it like this, not too hard, and then put it down there when you're done. Let's see if that works. Yeah, okay, that'll work. Okay, we put it right here. So let's do another one. Okay, so you just press them down. There you go. And you can use both hands, so you can, that's what Papa uses, both hands. A lot of water. Okay? Okay. A little more water. Okay, go ahead. Use both hands. There we go. Okay, can Papa show you?
The cookies are so watery.
See, what I do, I hold it with one hand. See? Notice I use a lot of water. Tuck it in. See that? Now, see, it looks like a cookie, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we baked it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Which one do you like the best? You like the chocolate chip. So here, I've been making these for a long time for health for myself, and now you come along and convert me and made chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
So does Daddy agree? Which one do you like?
I like chocolate chips.
Everybody likes chocolate chips.
Yep, and you, everybody, would like mine.